We have a really beautiful collection of kitchens here within Wickes. 4 different specific styles of doors in a range of on-trend colours.
Whether you're looking for something more contemporary or something more classic, or something in between. We offer high gloss and matte finishes in a range of colours.
If you're looking for something that's minimal, easy clean and modern and contemporary, then our Slab, our J-Pull and our Intelliger ranges are ideal.
When we're working together to design your kitchen, I always try to keep in mind your current style of your home and how you use your space. Because that will help us narrow down a style that will work for you.
Whether your style is the ultra-modern Intelliger range or a more classic style like the Shaker, there is something within our range to suit your style.
We also have the design centre, which you can mix and match door samples and worktop samples to give that initial start to your journey.
They take on a whole new sort of dimension in reality compared to on a page in a brochure or on the website.
At Wickes, you have everything that you need to complete your project from start to finish.
We have the boutique tiles, the lighting and all the paints here within our stores.
We are really confident in how durable our products are.
We have fully built up kitchen displays so you're able to play with those, open the doors, appreciate how softly they close. You can pull the drawers out and see how strong they are and how much weight you're going to be able to store in those. We have so much here within our showrooms for you to experience, so when you come down, take some time to have a good look around. There are no rules. We want you to have the kitchen that you want, something that reflects your personality, and we have a kitchen within Wickes for you to do exactly that.